50 common mistakes English learners make. 1. Translating every sentence from your native language. 2. Being afraid to speak because of mistakes. 3. Memorizing words without using them. 4. Ignoring pronunciation practice. 5. Speaking too fast. 6. Speaking too quietly. 7. Not listening to native speakers. 8. Forgetting to practice every day. 9. Mixing up he, she, and it. 10. Using the wrong verb tense. 11. Forgetting S with he, she, and it. 12. Saying I am agree instead of I agree. 13. Saying she go instead of she goes. 14. Forgetting articles. 15. Using much and many incorrectly. 16. Confusing there, and there. 17. Confusing your and your. 18. Using the wrong prepositions. 19. Forgetting plural s. 20. Saying people is instead of people are. 21. Using double negatives. 22. Pronouncing silent letters. 23. Reading without speaking aloud. 24. Avoiding English conversations. 25. Learning grammar without practicing it. 26. Giving up after making mistakes. 27. Studying only with textbooks. 28. Not watching English videos. 29. Not reading simple English books. 30. Trying to learn too many words in one day. 31. Not reviewing old vocabulary. 32. Ignoring phrasal verbs. 33. Ignoring common expressions. 34. Speaking without confidence. 35. Comparing yourself to others. 36. Focusing only on grammar. 37. Forgetting to practice listening. 38. Not asking questions. 39. Avoiding speaking with other learners. 40. Depending too much on translation apps. 41. Not thinking in English. 42. Using difficult words too early. 43. Learning without clear goals. 44. Skipping pronunciation exercises. 45. Forgetting to practice writing. 46. Not learning from corrections. 47. Studying only once a week. 48. Expecting perfect English too quickly. 49. Quitting after a few weeks. 50. Forgetting that consistency is the key to success. 50. Not using new words in conversations. 51. Ignoring pronunciation and accent. 52. Thinking translation is always the best method. 53. Overusing complex grammar and difficult words. 54. Not practicing speaking out loud. 55. Comparing your progress with others. 56. Using too much slang or informal language. 57. Forgetting to use linking words. 58. Pronouncing words the way they are written. 59. Not paying attention to context. 60. Not practicing speaking regularly. 61. Overusing filler words like and you know. 62. Not learning common collocations. 63. Ignoring feedback and corrections. 64. Expecting results overnight. 65. Not using English outside the classroom.